Hello, everybody. Yes. Hello, Metamir. Hello, JL. Hello, Greb. Hello, Elist. Hello, Silly Goose. Silly Walk Minister. Yes, Ronnie. Yes, Boo. Hi, Dave. Hello, Elist. Hello, Toymin. It's been a while. How you doing, everybody? Yes, it is that day again. It is that year again. It is 2024. Sasha is here. Hello, Puma Potted, gracing us with his presence. Hello there. And hi, JF. Wonderful to see you all. Today's a special day. A day among all the days. This is the day. The day where Genuary Speedrun is happening. Yes. And this year is going to be a very special speedrun. It's a very different speedrun because it's apparently really, really fast focus. Yes, today is January 2024 tool-assisted speedrun any percent. What does that mean? We'll get to it. This is still running the intro song for some reason. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, indeed. It's January speedrun time. Last year, the time was... What was the time? I don't even know. It was 6 hours something. It took a long time. And then I got my title. My title was reaped off my hands just a few weeks later by the devious, the I can't even say that. I can't say that as a joke. But the conductor of the coding train, Daniel Schiffman, just beat my record by a lot, by a few hours. So this year is the time. This year's the time to reclaim the title, and we'll reclaim the title in an equally devious way because this year we're doing a tool-assisted speedrun. Trains versus Burbs round 2. Indeed, we do a tool-assisted speedrun that is no gloves. Gloves off, everything goes, anything and everything goes. I will use all the tools at my disposal, and that includes the neurons that I don't have. I bring one, and I will make I will make use of all the neurons of a neural network, not mine, that of ChatGPT and Copilot. So it's not about art. It's not about beauty. It's not about truth. It's not about poetry. It's about getting it done as fast as possible. Big brain, indeed. The timer hasn't started yet, but it will start very soon as everybody's strapped in. Strap in, everybody, because today's a special day. I can't wait. Code is poetry, though. Yeah, not today, Elist. Today, code isn't poetry. Code is fast. Code has to happen. Code has to happen fast, and I will not. I will take all the shortcuts. I will do all the tricks. Like such as the first competitors in the Tour de France, who would like take a cab, take a taxi to get faster to the right. To look it up. It happened. They were drunk too. I'm not. But yeah, everything goes. Everything and anything. You're loving this? No holds barred coding. Indeed, exactly. That is what's happening. Any percent is the category. Tool-assisted January 2024 speedrun all day, every day for the next 2 hours. My goal is to get 2 hours. I don't remember the exact time that Dan managed last year, but I think it was something around 3 hours, maybe. I think if I manage 2 hours, I'm in. I'm done. It's good. Maybe you're drunk. Maybe you're always drunk. That's my superpower. Being drunk might be a later strat. Yes. So we have there are a few strats. There are a few prompts that are scary. There are a few prompts that scare me. I'm not gonna lie. But there are a few prompts that I will take all the shortcuts that I can. There are skips. There are tricks. And you'll find them out as we get through it. I seem to recall being a 2-hour goal last year. For me, I don't think so. Last year it took more than 6 hours. I distinctly remember that. I had a cooler. I had sandwiches. I did not have a bucket, despite what the rumors say. But this year I have water and that's it. That's how ambitious I am, and I'm already a little bit hungry. So that's I need to be done before I starve to death. That is the conflict, the inner conflict of this episode. Hi all, hi Daniele. Can't wait for the time to start. Yes, me too. Hey, Tarin, is stream diffusion usable? The stream diffusion, nice. Coincidence, I did see it. What? Tom, why not just copy paste from someone else's open processing? Not all that different from a ChatGPT run, just more honest. So I expect more bashing, AI bashing from Tom over this the course of this stream, but it will be so fast. It will barely have time to insult me. Internal similarities, great minds think alike. I mean, oh, Ms. White is there. Okay, I'm sorry, I missed some messages. It's very fast. Did my tweet actually reach people? I don't know. What does it say? Announcing it's the most wonderful time of the year. Very nice. So the art you make will end up vaguely food related. I don't know, but that's a possibility. I will need your help in some of the prompts for sure. For sure, there are some of the prompts I have no idea how to do them. We're gonna go and have a quick look at everything. Let me see. I have to be sure not to use my numpad for anything else than triggering the timer, because that's the problem. Who is there in the chat? Look at that. We have Coding Train Choo Choo, our fiend, our enemy. Everybody, get him. We're trying to steal the trophy back, the belt, back from you, Dan. So 2 hours. What was your record last year? I forgot. But this year, the goal for me is 2 hours. I want to get it done with 2 hours, and I will use every trick in the book and off the book. Look it up. Okay, yes, please look it up. I mentioned to do an audio SDF, which was great. Ooh, interesting. You sure that's him? Might just be Stable Raph with a different hat. I'm not wearing a hat today. Quantity over quality. Yeah, but today's quantity over quality for sure. No art, no beauty, no truth. I've said it and I'll say it again. Ms. White with the Mondrian emoji. Okay, green screen. Let's open it. Let's open the green screen. The green screen box. There you go. Green screen. Bam, beam, bam. Beam, beam, bam, bam. We're good. And okay. So yeah, so that's me 5 minutes from now. All right? Let's go. So the prompts for this year, January, are, you know already the prompts, but for the people who don't, the prompts are as follows: particles, lots of them, no palettes, Drost effect, pixels, in the style of Vera Molnar, screensaver, progress bar, chaotic system, ASCII, hexagonal, in the style of Annie Albers, I'm scared of that one, lava lamp, wobbly function day, not sure about that one, less than 1 kilobyte, but there are ways. Use a physics library, that might also be tricky. Draw 10,000 of something. Inspired by Islamic art. I'm not commenting on anything from now on. No spoilers. Flocking, generative typography. Use a library that you haven't used before. Point line plane. 64 by 64 or 32 by 32 or 8 by 8. It depends. Your mileage and your resolution may vary. Impossible objects. Recreate a pattern. Grow a seed. Code for 1 hour. Skeuomorphism. SDF. Shaders. Generative music. All right. You might be looking at some of those prompts and think, how is he going to do that if he only has 2 hours? Well, you'll see. You'll see. There are tricks. There are tips. And we'll use them. They are shortcuts. All right. So this is what we have. Most of the Annie Albers homages were from her geometric work, not the textile like what Aaron did. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. So, hey, Gorilla-san. Hello. Nice to see you. Hack for the shader one, slap the shader part library into P5 and draw a sphere. That could be smart. So it's gonna use GPT. Yes, I'm gonna use a GPT. And by the way, so I was hoping to be able to use Dan GPT. I was hoping I'll be able to use the Shift bot that came out, but it's on early access. You have to apply, and I didn't get it in time. Also, they still need to figure something out for Europe. So So it's gonna be ChatGPT, but I also have that shift bot made me want to re-explore something I had met before, which is my own custom GPT for P5. And so we might try that as well, but it's more meant to assist beginners and not to be fast. So I told it not to give full code solutions immediately. So that might not be the right thing for our particular purpose. But if you want to play around with it, there you go. Like go check it out, and also go sign up for the Shift bot because it's weirder and more fun. So this one's just meant to be to do stuff. But yeah, okay. Enough. Shall we get started? Let me hear a honk. Let me hear a honk if you're ready. Again, strap in. This is gonna be fast. If you blink, you miss it. Honk. Why is the honk not honking? Wait, what? What's going on? Oh, okay. Honk. Okay, now it should work. Oh my god. I turned off the bot. I turned off the bot on this scene for some reason. Do I have anything else turned off on this scene? Honk, honk, honk. Patreon banner. Yeah, thanks patrons. Thanks for your support. Appreciate it. I'm gonna move myself down a little bit. And yeah, the kookaburras. Okay. I'm excited. This is gonna be tough. Okay, so we'll start with particles, lots of them. We have our copilot here that we can use. We have our live server here, and we have this thing. And I haven't made folders for it, for each of them, for each of the prompts. That might have been smart, but I'm not smart. So yeah, end of the night at the Goose Club. Go Goose Club. Yes, okay. It is time. It is time. It is the moment. The moment has arrived. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm stressed out. I'm I'm wasting time. Okay. All right. Do we have everything ready? I think I'm ready. Okay. All right. Start the clock. 3. Hello or 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay. So, this is going to be particles. Create a simple P5.js. I have about 4 minutes per prompt if on average if I go for 2 hours. So create simple just sketch that draws a particle emitter. Particle. I'm afraid if I just say particles, it's not going to emit them. But emitter is maybe a little tricky. Okay, we'll see. Distract him with highlight messages. Yeah, sure, do that. Distract me with donations. So I'm gonna be so distracted. And he's off. Oh, immediately fell on his face. That's gonna hurt. I did. What? Okay, let's go. Boom. Bam. Okay. Done. So this is done. Now we are no palette. I mean, I'm sorry, but this is done too. Okay, next we have a Drost effect. So Drost effect, there is a simple way, but it's not as simple. And also, this is tricky because ChatGPT doesn't know about frame buffers in P5 that were added in 1.7.0. So we have to use, we have to try and use my custom GPT because I gave it information about the latest and greatest additions to P5. And in theory, it's able to do frame buffers. So I need to load my P5 tutor and let's try that. How to use frame buffers in P5. I'm prompting it like this just to make sure that it's checking. It should look up its own. No. Ah, shoot. Yeah, now it's that thing. I forgot. Yes, please. Give me a simple example. I told it to not respond immediately, and now it's gonna bite me in the bottom. Let's start by understanding. But yes, let's do that. How about that? Yes. Oh my god. That was a bad idea. Let's follow these steps. Yeah. I know. Okay, so it didn't need to look up in his own its own knowledge base for some reason. Are you familiar with studying? Yeah, sure. Yeah. It's working too well. I made a tutor, not a homework maker. So yeah, sure. Let's make a cube and use the canvas itself as the texture. Tell it to just I can't do that. I explicitly told it don't give the code. Never give entire code example. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. Oh no, I improved it. It made it worse. Okay, never mind. I'll have to code it myself. So let's duplicate this, copy, paste. Okay, F2 Gen 3. Nope. Gen 3 Drost effect. All right, so here we have to create a frame buffer. Forget the particles. Forget all of that. A mouse pressed. Forget that. All right. Create frame buffer. Oh, dang it. Forgot that you have to do this and then width, height, and there's a last parameter, right? Dave, abort. Just start over. You're too deep. Not too deep in. No. It's cool. This seems like a fair way to go. We need to make sure you know how to do it first. Knowledge based instead of hallucinate. No, that's fine. It should look in the knowledge base. I told it explicitly in the system prompt. Look in your knowledge base if it is a feature that's been added after your knowledge cutoff. It's all working. Except I told it you're helping beginners. Don't give them the solution. And now it's now it's really doing its job. Okay, so frame buffer p5 reference. There you go. Let's go. Okay, so p5 frame buffer, create frame buffer. Wait, what? Where's the examples? There were examples. I know there were examples. p5 frame buffer. I'm already 5 minutes. Well, that's the total, but still. No, not this one. Layered rendering with frame buffers. There you go. Okay, good. It's the create frame buffer. Format float. That's the one. I didn't even need the dimensions. Okay, so format float. Okay, then yeah, but I need to make a frame buffer. Let FB. Okay, FB equals create frame buffer. Then nope. Let's begin. Okay, Copilot doesn't know about it. For the particles, no. We're gonna draw a cube. No, it's not cube. It's box. Gonna draw a box. Still not that. Draw a rotating box. No, I don't need to translate. It's WebGL. It is not WebGL. Thanks, Copilot. WebGL. So no translate. Okay. Erect? No, rotating cube. Oh, God. Okay. Rotate X. Yes, thank you. That's what I need. Box, pop. Okay. But we're also gonna do texture FB. Hello. I got the bug. I don't know who you are, but you're welcome. So text FB. Okay. It's still running. Oh, of course, I'm not showing the right one. Okay, there's no cube. Box. Save. I didn't save. Do I need to save? Hit Rust. Remember to create a WebGL canvas. Yes, thanks, Dave. I was reminded. Oh, and I need to draw the canvas. Draw the frame buffer. Yes, thank you. Oh, like that? Okay. What? I don't like this. No fill. No stroke. No stroke. Ooh, really? Box. No stroke. Well, of course, if I do it like this, it's not gonna work because there needs to be some kind of texture on it. Maybe prevent next. Right now everything is drawn. Probably can't use texture FB while drawing to the FB. You may need a prevent next. Chrome lets me. Yeah, apparently Chrome lets me. So FB end and circle. Draw rotating sphere. No. I don't know. Huh? I remember I did something like this before. I don't remember how I did it though. No, that's not right. Bill. No, not that. Okay. Random color fill. Does that count as a Drost effect? I don't think so. Oh my. Create graphics. You need to prefix those comments with FB. No, you don't. That's the cool thing with frame buffer. You just do frame buffer begin, frame buffer end, and then you can just draw like you normally would. It looks cool, but that's not at all what was going for. Oh, also the chat is on top. Wait, where put the chat somewhere else. It's complicated. It's gonna be complicated. Ship it. Does it count as a Drost effect though? It's not at all what I was going for, but I think I have to. If you say it's done, it's done. I really like how it looks though. And the Drost effect is not that at all. But Greveb says ship it, so I'm tempted to say yes. Maybe you can use it for no palette. I'm already done with no palette. We're way past that. Okay, done. It's 10 minutes. It's good. Pixels. I mean, I'm tempted to say it's done because everything is pixels. In the style of Vera Molnar. Vera Molnar, random rectangles is Vera Molnar, is like the typical thing. Copy, paste. Vera Molnar. So rip Vera Molnar and random rectangles. So random squares. So draw a grid of nested squares, each rotated randomly. Let's see if it can do something like that. No, that's not, not at all what I'm trying to do. Okay. No, not random color, no. Cube? No, I didn't. Ah, because it's WebGL. All right. Also, I need to move to the new one. Oh, and I called it Drost effect copy. That's not it at all. F2. It's January 5. January 5. Vera. Okay. I was still on time. We're 10 minutes in. Bye, Gorilla Sun. It's a Drost effect of the previous theme. What? Right. Okay. No, why is it still trying to draw a cube? Okay. Grid size. Square size. Yeah, that sounds okay. Max rotation, max offset. Okay, let's see. No fill. No fill. And redraw the background. Nope. Background. That's Vera Molnar. No loop. wäre mal noch done. Screensaver. 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 Okay, let's see. Copy, paste. January 6. Screensaver. Screensaver. Why did we do screensaver? I mean, I remember there was the flower one on Windows 95. Hey, Epi, ça va très bien. Chill. All no stress. Everything is fine. Okay, screensaver. Toast. No. There's something. There's no toaster emoji, is there? No, unfortunately not. There's a wing emoji though. I mean, we could do that. We could do that. Draw flying emojis in a diagonal. Emojis flying across the screen in a diagonal. Okay. Emojis should be a different direction. No, they should all in the same direction actually. Okay, let me diagonal from left to right and up, all parallel. Draw a grid of nested squares. No, why is it still on this? Should be randomly sized. No, not at all. God. Okay, I feel like I need to go to the chat again. P5. Nope. This thing again. Draw blah, 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 using P5.js. Okay. Let's go. If it takes an hour to get to that prompt, does that work? Well, JAlf, we shall see. Okay. Boom. Beam. It's 1. Is it 1? Okay. Selection. Make more. Randomly spawn. I see a for loop. That looks good. I see another for loop. That looks good too. I think it's pushing them to an array. I think that's good. Done. Okay. So next, progress bar. Oh, that's easy. The CSS loader. I should go. Oh, wait. Loader something. Not sure if that I should have gone with the CSS, but I think duplicate, copy, paste. This is January 7th. Progress. Okay, so we can go to there and okay, and then I need to show the loader. That means go to the index, and what did it say? I guess save. Style, it's good. Index. There's loader div. It didn't load. Didn't see the loader. That was a bad idea. Why did I do? Why did I want to do this? There's a trick in P5. I wanted to take the opportunity to show you that. But I've done it in the past. I have a sketch that I made before that I can show you. Login. Who just joined? Hey, Fair Jerez00, welcome back. So, I want my loading sketch. Loading. There's a cool thing. There's a cool thing in P5. If you want, you can replace the default loader. This one's a bit more complex. I think I'm using flags. But that's not what I thought. No. Open loader. Load. The hide loading. Yeah, so you can CSS loader. Yeah. So you can hide the default loader. Yes. This script under faster. Loader.js. Yeah, okay. The loader element. I mean, the loader.js is gonna, yeah, it's fading out the loading. I don't have to have it in a separate file though. So loader.js, I don't need that. And oh, I know what's missing. Preload function. So make a preload that takes a while to load. Yeah, but that's not right because it's just not going to be able to load anything. Don't load a font. Run a slow loop. Okay. That's too slow. That's not slow enough. Why is the loader not loading? Why is the loader not showing? I went for something too complicated. I could have done something much easier. But what I wanted to show is, where is it? Index, add the loader. Oh, of course it's keep waiting. Yeah, no, of course. Forget that. Stop it. I made not an infinite loop, a very slow loop. Most of the time it takes longer to think about what to do than to do it. Yeah. I'm trying not to think too much. Close. Dang it. Of course, I crashed my VS Code. Sleep 5. Yeah, I guess I could have tried that instead. Sleep. But I think I tried that before. Sleep 4, 5. Second. Yeah, it doesn't really work. Sleep doesn't work because it's async. I think that's either you need to load a big file or you need to find something else. Don't overthink. Yeah, that's the real challenge. You're right. Why am I trying to show you something? Why am I trying to teach you something? P5.js loader, loading animation, preload. Here, replace loading animation. Customize default P5 loader animation. Yeah, there's a trick. Yeah, it says that, but you can actually, yeah, the docs. Okay, it's in the documentation. Preload. So, okay. By default, the text loading will be displayed. To make your own loading page, include an HTML element with ID P5 loading. Yeah, that's the trick. So if you want to replace the default loading, you can make an ID with P5 loading in your page, and then you can add a CSS in it. Large media dependencies such as image or videos. P5 loading, classics could be some P5 loading, for example, sketch using a loading screen. Yeah. Ah. Okay, I have another idea. NASA large images. NASA images. I'm gonna get a NASA image. Give me a big NASA image. Images. Gallery. Image of the day. Yeah, go. Come on. It's taking too long to load. Why is it taking so long to load? Because the images are big. Okay. Come on. Come on, give me the image. Come on. Download. Okay. Save. 14 megabyte. That's not big enough, is it? It's gonna load fast. Control X. No. VS Code. I could load it multiple times. That's what I should do. So, okay. So, did I? Oh no! I started editing the wrong one. No. Okay. This is gonna happen again. Okay. So here, gonna preload. Preload. No, the 30 dorb.jpg multiple times. It's looking at other places in the folder and taking things from it. I don't like that. This is not the same project. Copilot, what are you doing? Function preload. Yeah, there you go. It's still not long enough. Why is it optimizing it? Chrome, why are you optimizing it? I'm sure it knows that it's the same image, and so it doesn't take long. You could also fake progress. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do this. 25 minutes. Okay, but I showed you something about loading anyway. You can use it in your own sketches. How did I do it in my own thing? I think in the old one I showed you, I must have done something. Sleep. It worked. Sleep 300. It worked on this one. Why did it work on this one and not on mine? I don't get it. Wait. I'm still on screensaver. This is gonna keep happening, isn't it? Oh no, oh no. Reload. It's too slow. Reload. Okay, it's loading. There you go. Loading. Right? Loading. Is that good? They got a random. Yeah, it was just strong because of this. Done. Yeah, done. Okay. Chaotic system. I think we can build up on this one again. So I'm gonna go there, duplicate. Hey Alexandra, how you doing? Good to see you here. Sorry I can't read the chat as much as I normally do, but you know, chaotic system. Okay, I have to remember to go to the new one every time. Otherwise, yeah, please honk if you see me, quack if you see me forget to do this. Okay, so chaotic system. Oh, I need to lock this so that it doesn't open anything in there. All right, so instead of this, what I'm gonna do, let's go. Selection, move the what did I do? You put 10 minutes in relatively easier prompt, it will be harder later on. Yeah? Yeah, you're right. 2 hours. Already a quarter of the way in. Move the emojis in a chaotic way instead. All right. So just testing your reaction skill. Good. I'm still good. Okay. No, but I'm hoping for AI will save us. You know, that's the theme of today. The theme of today is AI will save us for sure. Oh no, I put it in the wrong place. Again. So save, get out of here. Also need to open the right files, otherwise. Save. Yeah. Goodbye. Save. Goodbye. Save. Goodbye. Goodbye. And goodbye. Okay, well, whatever. Sketch. Stop server. Restart server. Lock. Chaotic system. Okay, and then paste. That's pretty good. I did want to try something else. I know it's wrong. I know I shouldn't do that, and I get flashbacks of Dan's attempt last year. It's like selection, replace the emojis. Make the emoji change randomly to another emoji from an array. It's not chaotic enough. Go on the next one. I just try this. If it doesn't work, I move on to the next one. If it doesn't work, I move on to the next one. I promise. Okay. There you go. Oh, that looks great. I love it. Bam. Okay, next one. ASCII. Okay, I think we can move. We can still use this one for sure. Let's go back. Then duplicate. Oh no. Control C, Control V. Gen 9. Chaotic Peacock. Gen and ASCII. I know it's not supposed to be beautiful. I know it's not supposed to be poetic, but I can't help it. Okay, and ASCII. Replace. I don't think you need the slash selection thing. Replace the emojis with ASCII characters. What were these ASCII characters? No, ASCII is only letters or like non, or they were non-letters ASCII characters, right? Okay, yeah, went with that. Yeah, all right. With special characters. All right. ASCII, done. It's beautiful, isn't it? All right. ASCII is mostly just the stuff that has labels on your keyboard. Well, there you go. Okay. I'll rename this one. Gen 10 hexagonal. That's going to be fast. Hexagonal. Using AI simply balances out the distraction from chat. Yeah, precisely. Okay, so there you go. Hexagonal. Hexagonal. Are we still using this one? I think we are, aren't we? As long as I can still reuse the same code, I will. Replace the ASCII characters with the stop sign emoji. Yeah, we're coasting. We're chilling. We're chilling. Octagon. It's an octagon? Oh, crap. Okay, never mind. Never mind. All right, replace them with random hexagons. We're doing it. Hexagons. Create 100 hexagons. Hexagons push. Okay, they just have a position and a Hexagon. How do you draw? Oh, hexagon shape. Well, that's a very weird way to do this, but okay. Got to go to hexagon. Where did? Oh, okay. It's then. Ooh. They're very small. They are too small. How is it drawing the hexagon? Yeah, it should work though. It's using vertex. Vertex. Wait, are we in WebGL mode or again? Or no, we're not. Lazy GPT. It's even worse. Increase the radius from 20 to 50. Wow, hexagon shape. That doesn't exist. It's trying to use a function that doesn't exist, is it? Isn't it? Oh, what happened to my dev tools? Okay, they popped out on another monitor. Oh, hey, Dennis. Yes. You're right. Thank you. You saved the day. And Dennis saves the day. Bam! Done. Okay, Annie Albers. That's the one I was scared of the most. That is the decimal hex of the hexagon. Oh, Ivan, how you doing? Nice idea for January speedrun. Yeah, it's the second year. This year it's tool assisted speedrun. We're in good shape, I think. All right. So Annie Albers, wonderful artist. I got to see some of her work and her husband's at the Modern Art Museum in The Hague 2 years ago. It was wonderful. But yeah, how do we do that? I mean, I could be the laziest of the laziest and just ask ChatGPT. How about we ask the actual ChatGPT? Make a P5.js sketch in the style of Annie Albers. Or rather, describe the art style of Annie Albers. Now go. That's the way. That's the way. Who's blaming who on what? What have you done? Dave is always a bit quicker. What did Dave do? I think there's a hexagon Unicode character. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it came from you. All right. Take the geometric stuff and make a P5.js sketch in the style of Annie Albers. I mean, I could do something that is technically correct by just using the name Annie Albers and show it on the screen, but it feels like, even for me, even for the tool assisted lazy any percent speedrun, the lazy percent speedrun, it feels too much. Feels like too much. Peter, the boss, the king. Everybody welcome the king. Mega Hertog is the creator of the January challenge. Can we have some honks in the chat for Peter, without whom none of this would be possible? All right. Not even checking. Oh, wait. That's still in the wrong one. All right. Oh, I didn't duplicate it yet. Yeah, thanks for him. Jan 11, Annie Albers. Okay, so then nope. This again. Sketch. I always forget how you do this. Shift to drop. How do you, like this? Yeah, like this. Annie Albers, and here Annie Albers. I kind of want to rename all of these with zeros just so that they appear in order. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I don't care. It's just gonna save me time later on. Okay, should have done that earlier, but I didn't realize that was gonna mess me up. Okay, and 8 and 7. All right. Oop. I'm gonna lock this one, lock group. All right. So, can I lock this one too? Oh no, because if I lock it, no, I can't open anything in there. Annie Albers. Is that the? That looks like it's. Yeah, it's the correct one. Okay, so. Oh no. Okay, this. Is that Annie Albers at all? Doesn't look much like. It looks a bit like this. It looks a bit like. Oh yeah, that's kind of okay. That's kind of Annie Albers, isn't it? It counts. It counts. Next. All right. Lava lamp. Oh, I have an idea for lava lamp. My idea for lava lamp is to use the good old lazy metaballs idea. Why is the 07 still there? Why is the 07 still there? I didn't rename it. I renamed it. Rename it. Maybe Dropbox is messing me up. I think this might be stored on Dropbox and making a mess. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, it's crashing. Next your prompt, make a sketch without assistance. Next your ChatGPT can watch the video and judge whether it counts. Yes. This prompt was one of Genuary's make code without a computer. Oh yeah, true. That like no computer prompts. True. Why? No, come on, don't do this to me. I should have known it was a bad idea when I decided to rename those folders. I should have known. It's crashing. Oh my goodness. VS Code. 40 minutes. Okay, forget the progress. Why is it doing this though? I'm so annoyed. Is it gonna crash again? No, this time it worked. Okay, so we are Annie Albers, Lava Lamp. Okay, so back in business. So for lava lamp, there's an easy trick. We could start by using our particles here. First of all, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, that's good. Then I'm gonna ask Copilot, make the particle black and make the emitter run by itself. We'll start with that. And then the trick to do lazy metaballs is to use blur and then threshold. And this should be quick, and it should be even quicker now that the filter function in P5 uses shaders. Yes. Okay, so let's see if that's good. Yeah, perfect. All right. It's gonna be faster to make the size random myself. Push particle random. That's the position. Particle XY S equals 10. What does it define the size? 16. It's 16 now. Okay, 16. This dot S. What? Constructor S. Save. This dot S. Yeah, there's an. Oh, I forgot to set it. Okay. This dot S equals S. Okay, so that's good. And so particle push random this, and I'm gonna give it a random size as well. What happened? Oh, okay. I lost a parenthesis in the meantime. All right. We're gonna say like from 10 to 32, for example. That's good. This is not great for metaballs that it's fading, but I will try it anyway. Okay, and then we'll do filter blur. Nope. Filter blur. That's good. And then filter threshold. Done. I'm proud of this one. Wobbly function. Okay, this one I need to go check. It's a lava lamp. It is. It is. Yeah, if we want to. Ah, here we go. Even more lava lampy. Okay, so I need to go check the prompt for this one. Prompt. We're 43 minutes. We still have an hour and we still have 75 minutes. So wobbly. Wob. We're in good shape on time, I think, for now. But okay. So wobbly function. So I think this one I'm just gonna give it the prompt and see what happens. But first I need to create the new file. All right. Yeah. Wobbly. Everything we're doing right now, this is the opposite of what you should do if you're doing your homework. Please try to think when you use these tools, because this is fun and you can definitely learn from it, but you should also think. This is important. All right, make wobbly lava. I'm gonna start from scratch because I don't fully understand what the wobbly function thing is, and we'll make it make a P5 JS sketch based on that prompt. That's probably the laziest one so far, but we'll see. You should, basically what I'm saying is, like, you should understand what you put in the prompt and you should try to understand what you get back. Maybe also feed my article about wobbly function. Yeah, I'll try that if the result the first result is not good enough. I think the first result is good, but just for fun, I'll do that. So reference. You don't even need to avoid typos. Okay. Make a P5JS sketch based on that prompt, and the reference is below. Take that, GPT. Because the description itself is not that great, and GPT won't get it, I think, or maybe, who knows. Generally, you stack signs and then stop. It usually doesn't add much continuing. Okay. Based on provided reference, blah, 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 golden ratio for optimal irregularity. Waves will be animated over time. Peter, since you're there, I had a question. Is wobbly function, is it related somehow? Is it the same idea as domain warping? Because I have never done domain warping properly or investigated, but I get the sense that it's kind of a similar idea. I don't know. Domain warping, wobbly function, same, not same, completely different. No, domain warping can be done with any kind of function. So is a wobbly function like a subset of domain warping? That's that was kind of my. Okay, so it's done a different one. All right. Well, that's cool. I'm fine with. I'm happy with that. Oh wait, it's still the lava lamp one. No, I'm still on the lava lamp sketch. No. All right. Give me back the lava lamp. Was it not running? No. Okay, because I deleted it. Okay, a good. I'm gonna close this, open the wobbly, this, and wobbly function. Okay, good. Wobbly is for sinners. But wobbly functions are good for domain warping. No, okay. Yeah, cool. Domain warping is like if you have a function f of xy, x1, y1, where you evaluate it for every pixel xy, and then instead you grab the texture at coordinate x1, y1. Whoa, I'm not sure I get it, and I don't have the brain for that right now, but I appreciate it. I'm sure some people understand that better than I just did. Lots of cool stuff you can do with non-smooth or even discontinuous functions too. All right. Okay, so next. Control-Z, Control-V. January. Oh, wait. I forgot to move. Less than 1 kilobyte. Okay, so this one I'm scared of too, but there's a way to cheese it, which is that we'll look at the prompt and you'll see. Under 1K. So it's possible to cheese it because the prompt says you can go for size coding. That's scary. Or you can do 1 kilobyte of output. So I think I'm going to go for 1 kilobyte of output. So what is a 1 kilobyte PNG? Well, let's see. Make a P5.js. I'm even going to have to make a bathroom break in a minute because I've drank too much tea today. Make a P5.js sketch that generates a pixel art image of 1 kilobyte. We're still gonna try and make something that looks nice if we can. Or JPEG you output until it fits. Embrace the jank. Creating a pixel art image in one can be a bit tricky because the size of the image will depend on the complexity. Well, yeah, fair enough. But just keep it small. No, 100 by 100? Isn't that too big? Isn't that too big? Okay, it's small. Save. So S. Download it. And what did we get? Pixel art. Yes, it's 117 bytes. 117 bytes. That's done. All right. Let me. I'll put the lava lamp on and I'll go quickly to the bathroom. I'll be back in a sec. Yes, you're right. My microphone was off. We're back. So, simple physics engine. Actually, I don't know if I want a simple physics engine. I want a well-documented physics engine that P5 will that Copilot will know about. So, uses a simple physics library. Matter.js, yeah, sure. Matter.js is the famous one. Yep, thanks. I was thinking bullet physics, but that's for 3D, and that's a different one. Okay, so it's usually not the latest, but I don't need the latest. Also, I still need to duplicate this one. January 15th. We're on time. We're under an hour, and we're at almost at the midpoint. January 15th. Physics lib. Okay. Save and quit. Save and quit. Quit. Okay. And here, physics lib. All right. Back to this. We need to import here. Okay, matter.js. And copy. Paste. Well, sure. Make a floor. And oh, actually, we could replicate the first ever P5, the first ever processing sketch that I made. But let's start with that. See if it did it correctly. Bonk. Oh, it didn't bounce at all. Okay. Make a P5.js sketch using matter.js that shows a Galton board with balls continuously falling from the top and bouncing around. There should be buckets at the bottom. All right. It was already physics. Yeah, no, that's true. That's true, but it didn't bounce, so you can't really tell that it's physics. Okay. There you go. This isn't great. They're not bouncy at all. Just piling on, and the buckets don't have holes. But yeah, it's done. It's physics. It's totally physics. Okay, done. Draw 10,000s of something. Honestly, that's easy. P5.js. Draw 10,000 of something. And while it does that, I'll duplicate and make the new folder. Okay, Control-C, Control-V. I believe we can do it. We're in time. We're still in time. We're for the 2 hours. 10,000. Okay. There. And there. Newton approves. Are they in midair? I don't know what they are, but whatever they are, they are. Done. And inspired by Islamic art. I was scared of that one too. I could try just to ask ChatGPT to draw an Islamic star and hope for the best. I'm a bit As opposed to many of the other ones, I'm a little bit unhappy that it will probably steal that from somewhere and we won't know where. But we can try. Or we can look at... Are you sure it's 10,000? Do you want to count them? So who's got the superpower? So, okay, Islamic art, Islamic star pattern. Producing computer-generated Islamic pattern. That's what we need. No, that's also... Or we could feed it that, but non-Euclidean star pattern. No, it should have instructions. We need to find more publication. Shape grammar model for Islamic patterns. Well, that's interesting. No, that's a research paper. Best practice in Islamic geometric design. Oh, that's a book. Computer generate Islamic star pattern. What is that one? Oh, that's a paper. Well, can we select anything there? Okay. Okay, so... oh no, I don't want to use my tutor. Not for now. So... the headline for submission to the conference's paper is at the end of the month. Oh, well, there you go. So... in case anyone does accidentally some research during January. That could happen. You could just ask ChatGPT to write an article about your sketch. Make us an Islamic pattern using P5.js. Here's a paper for reference. That might confuse it more than it helps, but I think in the system prompt they added thinking step by step, because you used to have to tell it like, hey, let's think step by step, and it would make the result better. And now I feel like very often it does. Or maybe it's my own prompt that I have added in there. I don't know. Ana Carrera's got a PhD in Gen Art. Amazing. Yes, advance the field. So cool. Yeah, for Anna. If you don't know Anna's work, she's awesome. Please look her up. Oh, wait. Let's copy paste. Okay, 2 Islamic art. All right, sketch and go Islamic art. Nope, not at all. That's not great. Make it generative. It should randomly show a different pattern when clicking. Yeah, Dave, you got a lot of P5 work. Getting you busy. For anyone who isn't aware, P5 2.0 is on the horizon, planned for some time in the next few months, and there's a request for comments. So if you have some ideas or features you would like to see in the next P5, please go to the P5 GitHub. Dave, feel free to paste a link in the chat to the RFC, because if you're using P5.js in any capacity, if you're yourself a programmer and you think you could contribute, please go and make your comments, either commenting on the proposed features or making your own proposals. This is very important because after it would be too late. And this is a time when we can you can influence the future developments of P5. It's much harder to make breaking changes once we get to a stable release, and then the changes have to keep things not broken. So when we go from 1.9.1 right now, or I don't know if there will be some in between releases, but when we go from 1.9.x to 2.0, there will be some breaking changes, at least internally and maybe externally too, I guess. So yeah, now's the time to make your big proposals. My feedback would be to make it easier for people to transition to vanilla JS and Canvas. That should be the case, at least because it will be modular. That's one of the big parts. Is it will use modules. So that will be more state of the art. Are we happy with our Islamic patterns? I'm not sure if that's like very. It's not very. What's the term? Orthodox, but. Put the stars on a grid. Okay, let's do that. Put the stars on a grid. Yeah, the RFC is in the chat. Check out the link that Dave posted and go make your proposals. Because if you put your proposal in the chat for the RFC, that's not gonna work. I mean, Dave will see it, which is great, but it's not enough. So there's a proper process. Okay. I mean, it's not amazing. They should all be the same. All stars should be the same on the grid. Just change the pattern each click. More overlapping, make the grid tighter. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. Also, I think I need to remove the... I need to set a no fill. Okay, that's better. Yeah, we're getting there. Pattern push, one vertex. Yeah, okay, begin shape. Here, no fill. Okay, and I think they should be a bit bigger, but no, I think it's good. Yeah, look at that. How amazing. Beautiful. Honk. Done. Bauhaus. Okay. Shall we be lazy on this one too? I think we shall. Make a P5.js sketch as... Oh, no. Describe the style of the Bauhaus and make up a shape grammar for that style. That doesn't mean anything, but I'm just hoping that it thinks about it in a more systematic way. Because when it was describing the style of Annie Albers, it was a bit generic. Red, blue, yellow combined with black. Tell me about that. Make a P5.js sketch that generates a different pattern, a different composition in Bauhaus style every time you click. Okay, and then I'm gonna, in parallel, go here and set my Bauhaus folder. 18 Bauhaus. We're not here to learn about the history of art. We're not here to learn about Bauhaus. Go read something. I don't know. Go read a book. I don't have time. Okay, so we're good. Any percent run. Exactly. Copy code. Oh, that's terrible. It's absolutely horrible. Horrendous. This is not Bauhaus style at all. This is absolutely terrible. This is no. Wait. Oh my god. More grid like no random hue, but use primary colors. Yeah, let's try. Ugly percent, yeah. It works in ugly percent. Oh, that's good. I like ugly percent. Annie was part of Bauhaus. Oh, that's true. Oh my god, you're right. We could say we're done. I just want to see what this one does. I know it's dumb. I know I should just say we're done because we did Annie Albers before. Yeah, I think we're done. No stroke. Yeah. Okay. I know it's not ugly percent, it's any percent. I still get to feel like it needs to be aesthetically kind of pleasing. All right. Bauhaus done. Flocking. Oh my god, flocking. Oh, you know what? Flocking, what we're gonna do is Control C, Control V. 19 flocking. Then flocking, and I'm gonna go back to chaotic system. No, not chaotic system. To screensaver. Do this, and I mean it's technically not flocking yet. It does look like it a little bit. Make this a flocking behavior. Give the emojis the flocking behavior. Everyone's favorite color scheme. Thank you, J Elf. Thank you, Dave. All right. I see some steering. I see some things that make me think that it's gonna work. Come on, click. There you go. I mean, okay, it's not great because change the parameters slightly over time. I also don't. I mean, there are some. Why are they all aligning? I guess the parameters are not great. Where are they? Velocity, position, max speed, max force. And suddenly, at some point, they just align. Rest of the Boyd class. No, don't give me that. Okay. Want them to flock. That's the very minimum. Oh, that's not good. Why is this happening? They all just align and stop and accelerate in the same direction. Not good. Please fix it. Fix it. They just keep getting faster and faster. Oh, no, come on. Rest of the Boyd class. Okay. Rest of the... What? Oh, okay. So cohesion. So it goes from cohesion to acceleration. I don't know where to start. Why do you give me just a bit? Toast rain. Toast matrix. Okay. I'm just gonna start from scratch then if it's not able to do this. Make me a P5.js sketch that shows a flocking behavior using emojis. Money bags. That's not a money bag emoji, but okay. Flock. Voids. Update show. Yeah, that looks good. Velocity, acceleration, max force, max speed. Alignment, cohesion, separation. So yeah, there's in flocking, there's like those 3 parameters. I think there's a 4th one that exists. What was it again? Oh, like the line of sight, something. Okay, so this is it's gotten very hectic. Implement. Oh no, come on! It did the lazy thing again. No, give me the full code. Implement align cohesion separation methods. Come on. Visibility to be able to see ahead. Yeah, yeah. We're losing time. We have 10 more. No, 11. 11 more after that. Okay. All right. Almost done. Okay. So, operation. Okay, and they're even rotating now. Awesome. And then they just completely disappear. Yeah. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, we're done. They should be wrapping, but yeah, done. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Done. They should be wrapping. They should be bigger. I'm not gonna do that. All right. So next we have Genuary typography. Oh my, I think I need to think a bit. Free range voids. I like how they all fly away. Genuary typography. Oh my god, I knew I had to think about that. Oh yeah, no, wait. Yes. I know exactly what I wanted to do. So for Genuary typography, make a P5.js sketch that draws a unique shape. It's a sketch that is like use text to points. Yeah, I could do that, but I don't want to. Typewriter. For each letter, draw a random shape. For each letter typed on the keyboard. Might be too complex. The random shape. The random seed should be the ASCII code. No, the key code should be the key code. I think we can get a fake, like a semic writing thing with that technique. Let's see. Use text to point and do some transformations. Yeah, I could do that. Hey Chubas, by the way, how you doing? All right. I think we can do it. There's still a couple prompts that were a bit scary, but let's see if this works. So we're still on flocking. I need to duplicate again. F2 20 gen type. Okay. Go. and paste. Okay, that's not exactly what I had in mind. We're not too bad. Each character should be on a grid. Skip and wrap around when getting to the end of a row. Skip cell if typing spacebar. That again, that might be a little too complicated, like asking too much in one go, but we'll see. We'll see. Also, the description is not super, it's not super clear, but that might be enough. We'll see. That's a grid. Advanced grid, skip a cell for spacebar. It will write this function, hopefully. Don't crash. Okay. All right. Okay, that's cool, but now it's just circles. That's cool, but it's only circles. A random shape for each keystroke. I mean, I might be able to do that myself. Or is it triangle as if shape type 1? Oh, it's trying to do triangles. So how does it pick the shape type? Int random. What? But what? So why is there no triangles? Hey, K-Torn. I could read it. It said what? Colors and location can be considered a type font, by the way. Yeah, I know, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy if it's only circles. Why? Is it changing it when you reload? No. What the heck? Is the real factor? Well, I gotta go. Bye, Chubas. Save the animal. So if shape type. Okay. Why is it only typing squares? What's going on? Was it Griveb? Did you see the? I feel like I'm talking to Lassie. Lassie the dog, except it's Lassie the girl. What is it, Lassie? What have you seen? What's going on in my code? Why is it only typing squares? The code the random number generator is not producing a uniform distribution of number. Yeah, but that doesn't matter, is it? Does it? It's just random 3. That's fine. If shape equals 0. No, it's not, because it's not generating. Where is it? Random. What's the random? What's the shape type? Int random. Oh, no, it's generating ints, so that's fine. Random seed. Oh, wait. Key type, key code. So it is using the random seed with the key code. Well, what if we don't do that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, that's fine. It's not like if it's not writing the same letter if I use the same key multiple times, but you can't tell. More like Flipper the dolphin. Yeah. Was it Flipper? Okay, I think we're done. We're done. We're so done. Use a library you haven't used before. Matter.js. No, I think I have used it before. You used Matter.js, so you're done. Yeah, did I use Matter.js before? No, I think I used it before, but I never used Tone.js. So create a sketch that uses Tone.js. Oh, wait. Is it gonna know that I'm asking for P5.js sketch? I didn't say. I said sketch. No. Create a P5. Yeah, sketch that. But it doesn't need to use P5. Oh, it does need to use P5.js. Uses Tone.js to play a random tune. Two for one. Always smart. Yep. That's what we need. You've been trying to work with Tone.js during the stream. Nice. Okay, so we have P5 here, and we have Tone.js there. So while it's generating, I'm gonna make my file. Wow. Time is running so fast. New lib. New lib. Index. Don't need Matter.js in there. No. Okay, save. And then done. Yeah. I don't hear anything. Click to play. Doesn't even write anything. Oh, am I on the right? Am I editing the right file? I am. DevTools. Oh wait, there's an error. Okay, reload. Encode and promise tone is not defined. What do you mean tone is not defined? Did I not save this? Oh man. Tone is not defined. It's not happy. Tone.js is not correctly loaded. Yeah, it looks like it, but maybe, you know what? Tone.js CDN. Maybe it gave me a broken CDN link. Could be no, but no, it would complain that it didn't load then. Doesn't make sense. Oh wait. Save. Still wrong. Wait, what? No, the wrong tab. The wobbly function, what are you talking about? Check the import, check the typos, internet connection. Yeah, that hopefully is fine. P5 sound. Can never get Tone.js to work. So different. Find myself scrolling through a list of class looking for something that sounds promising rather than having like good top level guidance on how to do things. Are you telling me that maybe volume up? I did put the volume up, but no, but the point is it says tone is not defined, so that would I'm getting an actual error. So this is, yeah, it's not just the volume. But good call. Local server, ensure that there are no course resource sharing. I don't think there were. Reload. Wait. No. Connect. And there's another error before. Encode type error cannot tick source, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay, so that's the actual error. And saying something, audio context was not allowed. Yeah, but I can't, it should be allowed when you click. Come on, I can't debug Tone.js for for 5 hours. What? It has a dependency to another library, maybe? I don't think so. It doesn't find it. Maybe conflict with P5 AudioLib? That's a good call. That's a good idea. Let me comment this one out. Yes! Excellent call. Beep boo, beep boo, beep boo, done. Dee 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 dee, done. Okay, next. Yes. Oh my god. That could have really thrown me. Like, oof. Choking on Tone.js. Okay. Could have thrown the run. Gen 22 point line plane. And believe me, I'm not gonna try and overdo this one. Sketch. Okay, close. Point line plane. Make a P5JS sketch that has a point, a line, and a plane in it. Doop. Run saved. Thanks, Nemocake. Yes. Okay. Where's the line and the plane? The line is in the plane. Yeah, I think so. Push. Oh. Push. Pop. Come on. Done. 64 by 64. Also easy. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be longer to create the file than it is to make the sketch. Okay. M23. I actually got 64 by 64, so that's what I'm going for. I'm gonna try and be smart about it. Deck, beam, amp, 64. There you go. Done. Okay, next. Impossible object. This one scared me a lot. I have an idea for it. Make a P5JS sketch that creates 25, I'll go 32 randoms, 32 vertices randomly. The WebGL P5JS sketch, WebGL randomly placed in around this in a certain distance of the center of the sketch. Then and connect them with begin shape and shape. On click, randomize the position of the vertices again. Okay, let's see. If the possible object or undecided geometry. Yeah, it's one or the other. So I'm not going for Escher-like smart 3D geometry or anything. I'm just making a shape that isn't possible. At least that's the idea. Let's see. New sketch. 22. Impossible geometry. Oh, no, not 22, 24. Come on. We have 25 minutes left for the record. Oh, actually, did we ever get the time that Dan did last year? Can somebody look that up? I still don't know what the world record is. Where are we trying to beat? Because that's kind of important. Dang, I'm getting stressed. He mentioned 3 hour 30 minutes or something. Okay, yeah. Okay, impossible geometry. In it. Isn't that impossible? It's kind of nice. I actually like it. Yep, done. Recreate a pattern. Okay, so this one, oh my god, this one is freaking me out. I have a thing. It's scary. It's scary. Let me show you. I don't have that much, I don't have that many patterns saved on my phone, no matter what Peter says. So, scroll down until I find it. So, this one, I really want someday to be good enough with shaders to be able to do something like that. Like, really. Definitely not doable in 4 minutes. Easy. But let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna do this, then paste, describe this pattern. Sidewalks, bricks, moire. Now, yeah, I don't have that on my phone. I have this one on my phone. Monochrome is swirl of dots, a varying size, gradient, sense of movement and depth. Yeah, that's true. Background is dark and the dots are light, possibly white. Contrasting sharply with the background. The pattern resembles a spiral, galaxy, or whirlpool. That's perfect. That part's not true, but the fluid dynamic phenomenon or generative arts piece where the parameters such as diffusion and reaction rates produce such pattern. Yeah, I think that's what you would want, but okay, let's make a P5.js sketch that creates a simple version of this pattern. Reminiscent of the one in your image. Yeah, that's all I need. I don't need anything. The dots on the black background arranged in a spiral pattern that emulates the one in the image. Well, yeah, I'm not convinced, but let's see. Let's see. Line of dot, decrease spacing, add some jitter, rotate the whole set. I'm very, very doubtful that it's gonna look anything like it, but we'll see. No, it's slow. Imagine if I run out of tokens before the end. That wouldn't be fun, would it? I can always switch to 3.5, but then we'll... Oh, well, no, I can switch to Copilot. I don't think you run out of token on Copilot, so no, we're good. I got scared myself for a second. Okay, so... did I create the new file? No, not yet. Okay, 25. 25 pattern. Beam, boom, bam, up. No, not this one. Hey, that's not bad. That's a lot. Done. Done, right? I think we're done. Okay, grow a seed. Ah, this one was scary too. Grow a seed. I need to think. If you have any ideas of an easy grow a seed. Grow a seed. Black plate with random seed generator and grow it. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's smart. That's clever. That is very clever. Oh, I wish I thought of that. Random seed frame count. And stroke point radius plus random. Nope. Random. That's actually pretty cool. That looks pretty nice. So there you go. Quick and done. Code for 1 hour and share the result. This one was done 39 minutes and 34 seconds ago. Done. Skeuomorphism. Okay, so skeuomorphism. 28. Skeuomorphism. So it's the longest part if typing it. So, okay. Finding skeuomorphism. Oh yeah, no, I know exactly what. Skeuomorphism. Make a P5JS sketch that creates a paper texture. A generative artist's best friend, the generative paper texture. All right. Pixel density 1. Hey, thought about that. I should have thought about that. Okay, 20 minutes. We have, well, 19 minutes left and 3 prompts left. SDF should be default shader, generative music. I think we're good. I think we're sub 2. I think we're on the we're on a path for sub 2. That's skeuomorphic for a cloud, or well, a cloud is for paper. It's skeuomorphic for paper, right? Come on. Yeah, it's a paper texture. Oh wow, it's perfectly matching where my camera is clipping. And okay, stop. I'm done. I'm done. Skeuomorphism. SDF. Okay, so this one is fun. Make a P5JS sketch that draws a grid of squares, filling the canvas. The color of each square is a function of the distance to the center of the canvas. and then we'll just have to animate it. I mean, that's already an SDF, but... Okay. Ah, we're almost done. Come on, 15 minutes. Come on. Yeah, now the point is not wasting time. Gen 29 SDF. Not wasting time, not making any mistakes, not overwriting anything. No. Yeah, that's an SDF. For some reason that doesn't... whatever, it's done. That's an SDF. Shaders. Yeah, I can cheese this one, or I can do it for real. We have 15 minutes. We can do a real shader. Make a sketch in P5.js with a shader that draws a victory, a cup, no, a medal. We can draw our own medal for winning. I think that might be too complicated. Why am I doing this? We still have a way to cheese it if this doesn't work. Okay, so C Control V, F2, 30, shader. Can I get some honks? We're almost there. No. Okay. Shader. Medal.vert. Thanks. Another one. Medal.frag. Okay. Frag. Almost there. Save. Then vert. We're not looking at the right one. Shaders. Oh my, that's not really it, is it? Tight. That doesn't look like anything. Shady honk. Don't know what it's doing. Panic mode. Doesn't draw anything. GL, right color. Yeah, so it's not drawing it. Well, I wrote a bit of shader. This is our cup. This is our cup. Are we done? Are we done? I wrote a bit of shader. Are we done? Done. Okay, done. And the music was done when I did Tone.js. Done. Final time, 1 hour, 46 minutes, 56 seconds, and 90 milliseconds. Woo! Hooray! Okay, everybody, look at that. We have our particle celebration, confetti, honk honk. We have our Drost effect. That's like, sure, it's totally Drost effect and not something else. We have a Vera Molnar. We have our screensaver. Yay! We have our progress bar. That is just loading forever. Not really. We have our chaotic system. Oh, I love this one. It's still nice. I like the colors. Impossible colors. We have our ASCII. It's not at all the same one with letters. We have our hexagons, which is also not the same. We have Annie Albers.
The French champagne.
Thanks, Nemo Cake, for the sub. Appreciate it. Yes, if you enjoyed this, please support, subscribe, and support on Patreon if you want. That will be much appreciated. We have our lava lamp. That was my favorite one. Look at that. We have our wobbly function. It wobbles. We have under 1 kilobyte that generates a tiny image. We have a physics library that is a super functional Galton board. We have, we have drawing 10,000 something. There it is. Did you see them all? We have our Islamic patterns. Totally works. Bauhaus. Beam bam boom. Yes. Flocking. And they're gone. All right. Then we have generative typography. There you go. Then using a new library. Victory song. A victory song. Your favorite is a grow a seed. Oh yeah, that was a cool one. Point light plane. Point line plane. Yep. Absolutely. 64 by 64. The same, but at 64 by 64. Impossible geometry. I really like that one actually. I think it looks great. Then pattern. Hello. Grow a seed. Yeah, grow a seed was fun. Very nice. I think you could start. You could start from that and make something really cool. Yes, but because at the beginning it looks great, and then it sort of gets it stays very minimal, which is not bad necessarily. Skeuomorphism, paper texture, sure. SDF, yes, and shaders. Victory. Okay. Yeah. What was your favorite? Which one did you like best? What did you think? And now, Mr. Schiffman of the coding train. This is my this is my challenge to you. Can you beat this score? Can you beat 1 hour 46 and 56 seconds? Hey? January 31st was done when I did Tone.js at the new lib on January 21st. Stacking. So it's any percent. Any percent means you can stack them. There are some strats that we haven't explored yet. There are some possible skips. There are some possible shortcuts for sure. You can still stack more. You can stack more. You could do them all in one sketch. Theory crafting. Yeah, that comes the best part. Waiting for Dan to break ChatGPT's record. You got some more skips? Jan 31st was your favorite. Yeah. I think January. I mean, there is. So the fastest you can go theoretically is 1 hour. So yeah, there's a time saving of 46 minutes 56 seconds that can still be had. But after that, you will need to find a skip for 27s. Somebody needs to find a skip for 27s. Otherwise we're that's the floor. So yeah, if you want to go and try your own, try to do your own speedrun, please go ahead, try to break the record. I would love to see that. I would love to see more people try that. Maybe it will be the first time you stream even. Imagine that. That would be fun. Maybe you try your hand at streaming on Twitch, on YouTube, wherever you want. We can make some generative sounds by letting the chat make burp sound. Yeah, I mean that's oh yeah. Fast to write, long to execute, but you don't actually need to wait. Oh, but code, no, the prompt explicitly says code for 1 hour. So I don't know. I mean, but if you make, I mean, I guess you, well, if you can find a way to make ChatGPT code for 1 hour, but then again, you still have to wait for 1 hour. So I don't know. It's not like it has to run for an hour. I think an hour is possible. Oh, I think an hour is totally possible if you do a bit of theory crafting and you do some routing before and you stack a lot more than I did, because I didn't really do a lot of strategizing beforehand. We talked, Dennis and I talked before, and that definitely helped. We looked through the prompts together. But so thanks, Dennis. I don't think I would have gotten that time without your help. I don't know if Dennis is still listening, but yeah, yeah. Thanks for the honks. Because you can stack 12 prompts together at least. You're still there, yeah. So thanks, Dennis. Honk to you. You probably spent 15 minutes just creating all your folders. True. I think it's fair to create the folders ahead of time. I don't think there's an issue with that. If you want the segments for live split, the timer that I used there on the left, I'm happy to share the file. Just let me know. I'll post it to Discord if you want it. And yeah, that was. I was afraid that it wouldn't be as fun because we were using ChatGPT, but actually that was a lot of fun. And there was still a lot of. I still got stressed. And I'm happy. And I thought it was a little bit cheap to skip a lot of the early ones with really cheesy tricks. But actually, I'm happy we did, because otherwise the sub 2 wasn't feasible. So yeah, can you share live split? Okay, I'll post it to Discord just now. Let me see. Save split as. Yeah. Okay. All right. So Discord. Yeah, if you're not on the Discord of the Burbs Nest, join the Burbs Nest. Now is a good time to do that. Discord. We're all hanging out there. A lot of the people you saw in the chat are over there sharing their work, some awesome stuff. And we're going to start again with the weekly challenges. Actually, probably should pick a new topic. Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't think about that. We need a new topic for next Sunday. Yeah. Oh, you hadn't seen the image, the banner. So yeah. Let me share the file. Where is it? Streaming. Dev. Speedrun splits. There you go. Topic suggestions, speedrun. Yeah, so let's go with topic suggestions. I challenge topics and voting. Well, actually, it's past time for challenge topic suggestions. So yeah, please post your challenge topic suggestions. We'll vote tomorrow, so we'll have a topic, and I'll update the challenge on open processing. Yes, right. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. That was absolutely a blast. I really enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun. And I'll see you on Tuesday. We'll do a bit more ZigSimpro probably. I want to explore other things, other sensor data from the phone directly to P5. We'll explore that and have some fun. I have an idea to fix the quaternions. I might do that before Tuesday. And we'll announce the topic of the challenge for the week. And then on Sunday next week, we're back to our regular schedule of weekly Creative Code challenges. with topics suggested for and voted for by the community of the Burbs Nest on Discord. So join the Discord if you want to participate in that. We have a different topic every week. I review your creations on Sunday. It's a lot of fun. We all learn a lot through that, and you have a little bit of a motivation to create a little thing every week. So yeah, that was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for being so encouraging in the chat and making this so much fun for me and other people as well. I love you all. I'll see you on Tuesday, and I'll see you again for a challenge next Sunday. Have a wonderful week, and try speedrunning January yourself. Bye. Bye.